We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in today's video I will unbox this ieGeek ZS-GQ2 security camera. So without further ado, let's begin. So once you open the box, on top you have this security foam, well, if I can call it this way, like just the soft foam that ensures that the camera itself and all its parts will not be damaged while transporting, or during the transportation rather. Here you can see the camera lays, so let's take it out real quick, or before that I'll just take all the accessories. So here's the zip package with some screws and those things. I forgot how to call them in English, but if you know, you know. So those are the necessary, not tools, but necessary additions for it to be mounted on the wall. So that's good to have those things in the packaging. Then in the box you'll find the charging brick or charging adapter. Let me see if I can. Never mind. Then obviously you'll also find the charging wire, which is, well, undetachable from the camera, so keep that in mind. As you can see, it is inside it here. And that's pretty much it. Now the box is empty. Now in the end I will also show you the camera itself, what it looks like. And the way it should be mounted is this, I guess. So let's say my palm is the wall. That's how you mount it. And well, that would look like on your wall roughly. Those are the Wi-Fi antennas that enhance the Wi-Fi signal. And even if your Wi-Fi router is in other room, or perhaps even on other floor, those two cute little antennas make sure that your camera, security or IP camera, will always have an access to the network, so we'll be able to work. And well, as far as the unboxing video goes, I guess that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.